With good news for today from Baptist Press, I'm Brandon Porter. Finances are an important concern for most people. A recent study shed some interesting light on finances and Christians. While predatory lending is a concern for most Americans, Christians are more strongly opposed to it than non-Christians are. Christian young adults are more likely than non-Christians to agree that lenders should only approve loans where the borrower has the ability to repay it within the term of the loan. That's according to a recent Lifeway Research survey. Similarly, Christians are more likely than non-Christians to agree lenders should only extend loans at a reasonable interest rate. A 2016 Lifeway Research survey of Christians in 30 states with little to no regulation of payday loans found 77% believe it is a sin to loan someone money when the lender gains by harming the borrower financially. The study also reveals the average young adult in America cares about values when making financial decisions, and they want the companies they do business with to share the same values they hold. 74% of young adults seek to purchase from companies that share their values. Around 70% seek to purchase from financial institutions that share their values, and 67% say they try to make purchases from companies that have a social mission that benefits society in tangible ways.
Good News for Today is made possible through our friends at the Voice of the Martyrs, a nonprofit organization that serves persecuted Christians around the world. Founded in 1967 by Richard and Sabina Wurmbrand, VOM is dedicated to inspiring believers to deepen their commitment to Christ and to fulfill His Great Commission, no matter the cost. Find out more and sign up for their free monthly magazine at vom.org/goodnews.
Brianna McKinney says many people see Denver as a lonely place. For community, they might go to a coffee shop where they're surrounded by others, but they're still alone. And the chances are slim the gospel will make it into their personal space. The city has only one evangelical church for every 32,000 people. To put that into perspective, there's one marijuana dispensary for every 2,000 people and one brewery for every 7,000 people. But through the ministry center where Brianna serves as a journeyman, she and her teammates are building relationships, and they're also coming alongside missionaries and church planters. They're reaching out to a nearby refugee school, ministering to the homeless, mobilizing teams of student volunteers, and doing food distributions to families. This year, the mission has moved forward, she says. We're just in need of more laborers. Brianna is praying that God will call more people to Denver to help spread the good news of Jesus Christ. You can find more stories at baptistpress.com. Thanks for listening to Good News.